Hi guys! Happy Saturday! So it's 11:43 and kanina pa ako gising and my husband went to help his uncle. May ginawa sila and I don't know kung saan pero maybe later on nasa bahay na siya. So pagising ko sa umaga, I already had my coffee this morning. And then after that parang I don't know kung acid siya and then parang masusuka ako. Hindi pa ako dinatnan sa ngayong buwan. Parang nasusuka ako na masakit ang ulo ko. So, hinintay ko lang yung asawa ko. Nagsaing na ako. And then, nagdepos ako ng chicken. Fried chicken yung namin, ulam. So, hindi ako nakapag-update ng ilang araw. Wala naman kasing ganap. So, today, after ng ng gagawin ng asawa ko, katapos ng nito, ng lakad nila ng uncle niya, is, I don't know kung ano yung gagawin. Baka pupunta kaming Home Depot to pick up the screen sa garden bed, which is nasa previous video natin. And then, nagka-breakout ako ng rash. Hindi ko alam, like ganyan. Tapos meron ako sa giliran ko, sa dito, sa likod. Makati siya. I don't know kung saan nanggaling. Hindi naman siya galing sa shrimp or something kasi di naman ako allergic dyan. Siguro sa bulaklak, I don't know lang, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko siya na-observe talaga. Pero nag-start to like Wednesday ata. Ang makati talaga siya. So may ina-apply kaming cream, which is ang calamine lotion. Effective naman siya, pero after a couple hours, makati na agad ulit. Parang masusuka ako na hindi. Siguro acid to. Wala pa kaming plano ng asawa ko na mabuntis. Kasi pa ako, under medication pa ako sa acne ko. 6 months pa. So, 6 months yung dapat yung medication ko. Sabi ng derma ko. Tapos 5 months ko this September, next month is October, will be my last medication pag inom ng gamot. Ano yung gamot ko? Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. I'm not really good when it comes to pronouncing. Isotretinoin. Yan, yung gamot na pang siya. Which is, kapag preggy ka, you're under medication, di siya maganda sa baby mo kasi may side effect siya. And I don't want that to happen. Which is, we're very careful na mag-asawa. Nung last month, nag-overthink din ako. Akala ko, preggy ako. So, I'm worried about that. So, di naman. Di naman kami like, nagmamadali pa. So, for now, ni-enjoy namin yung isa't isa. So, wala talagang ganap dito. And then, wala talaga akong update na sa vlog natin. Have plans ko ano yung gagawin ko, pero hinintay ko lang yung asawa ko. Sometimes, I have to ask permission din sa asawa ko. We respect each other. That is the good part about our relationship. If we both, speak out. Well, sometimes, meron din mga, alam mo yun, yung language barrier. Kasi di naman first language ko yung English. Sometimes, na may mental block. Alam mo yun, kapag nagko-communicate sa asawa. Siguro sa mga ibang mga Pinay na dito din sa US and sa ibang lugar na hindi English or ibang lengguwahe yung first language nila, ay mahirap din, 'di ba? I-adjust. Last month grabe yung pagsuka ko. And I overthink na malala, na akala ko preggy ako, pero hindi ako hindi lang maganda pakiramdam ko that time. Sumakit yung ulo ko. And then may mga kaibigan ako na preggy sila, and then sinasabi nila yung mga symptoms. Sabi ko naman is, hindi naman kami like, tawag dito. Basta, pero hindi pa kami ready sa ganyan na bagay. It takes time, you know. Hi guys! Happy Sunday! Wala na akong update ka. Sa nung oras na umuwi yung asawa ko kahapon. Mag-alas 4 na ata. So may maglilinis kami ng garahe. Kasi madami siyang tools sa garahe na kailangan ilagay sa mga lugar. Kasi ang kalat na. And tawag dito. Magkakat kami ng grass sa front yard and sa backyard. Yung gagawin namin. So, nagka-coffee ako. Nandun ako. Tinutulungan ko siya. So, let's go there. What are you gonna do with this? So, dito na kami sa garahe. Diba ang kalat?
Put that cable there 12 years ago. I still haven't used it, so.
Where? What cable?
That cable right there. It's been
Here?
under there for 12 years. Never been used, so no sense. Oh no, I'll get that level. Give me. I probably should just use the vacuum.
Where the back? Is this going to the laundry? The laundry basket?
No, it's just a rag. Those are, they get dirty, you throw them away. That's what those are.
So we're gonna put this.
Leave it there for now. We gotta clean something. We'll use that, and then otherwise they'll go right in the garbage.
What is this? Is this like
It's a bubble machine.
oh,
kids.
for the kids.
Yeah, that's our bubble
Oh,
machine.
look at this.
Yeah, I don't know where that could go right in the garbage, man. Yeah, give me a throw in the
this?
garbage. Yeah, it's something like that. You got the boot. Das Boot? Yeah, you speak German. Das Boot. Yes. Oh.
Oh.
Alright. So these are my grouting tools. Good to know. Oh. YouTube might tell you exactly why it's doing it. You know, and then we could What's up with you?
Okay naman siya. It's gonna be fall now, right? It's 22nd now.
Yeah,
Is it starting now?
definitely fall-esque.
Fall
It won't get like cold until
The leaves will
well until
fall on the ground.
what do you call it? Until Halloween. When Halloween comes,
Halloween.
it's
yeah.
usually like a little thing goes off when Halloween comes,
Yeah.
and what will happen is it'll get really cold. Right around Halloween, it starts to really kick in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put that there. How's that? She left me. This one's gotta go. Refill.
Refill.
So what I wanted to do was, right, because we've been getting a lot more water, I want to make a spot for the water on the shelf, so we don't have to keep walking around and leaving it on the ground. So like, say when we go to Costco, right?
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna go today. So I'm probably gonna pick up another water. And then we can keep the water here. You know?
How about the soda?
Soda, on the other hand, I mean, that's going to be a little more difficult. But the soda, I mean, we could always sneak them in there, but we're going
Yeah, we'll just get.
to put them, I mean, we could do the water over here too, like this. The problem is, anytime you put something over here, you block, you can't pull it right out, you know? But, soda, we're going to put most of the soda, not most of it, but a lot of it inside. And then these.
Yan yung soft drinks ko. Diyos ko. Ah, this is like how many pieces? 35 cans. 35 din. And then may water. Ito na yung nagawa ng asawa ko. Oo, so far, so good. You did good, my love.
Huh?
You did good.
You know what?
What time did you started cleaning the garage? Wow. So far, so good.
We are just rearranging, we're not really clearing.
Yan. Na-arrange siya lang.
I mean, the garage is perpetually dirty.
Yep.
Because it's
That's
kinda,
why I waited for you to clean it because it's your own space and I don't want you to be like, where's this? Where's that?
well, it's hard because the garage is like a place.
Yeah, but you have to make it like,
Where am I putting those?
put them on.
Yeah, well, that's why it's a little rough because you want to.
I'm gonna do the mower. No, love. I'm gonna cut the grass.
Well, you gotta get the backpack on.
I'll do the back first.
Yeah, you can do the back first. I'll pull it into the back. And I'll put the backpack on.
Is it same thing just like I did last time?
Yeah, no difference. You're wearing that? That's what you're gonna wear?
No, change my pants.
We'll change and then
Put my shoes, my
your sneakers
uncomfortable
are-
sneakers.
your sneakers are in there. I left
Yeah.
them in there.
Magkakat ako ng ano,
Excuse me.
ng grass. For the very last time. Last cutting grass, right?
Yeah, it's last of the season, yeah.
Last of the season and then after that, ano na, winter, we're gonna shovel snow. Is there times that you have to shovel snows on the driveway?
Yeah.
Ready for it.
You can't park.
Shovel na doon. Next winter. Excited. Tignan natin kung ano ba sa lamig. Wait lang. Bis mo na ako, guys. 1, 2, 3. Ito na. Nakabihis na ako, guys. Ito yung suot ko nung ano. Parang ano ko na siya, working clothes na. Parang naano na ako sa asawa ko dapat yun. Tapos yung ano ko, yung gagabitin kong sapatos is yung ito. Yan. Galing sa Pinas. Yan. Kasi ano na siya, madumi. So, naka-ano na ako, as usual. Naka-t-shirt, naka-jeans. And, park. Yan. So, linis-linis. Cutting ng grass na tayo, guys. Let's go.
What is that, my love? I've never seen that before.
That's mine.
What is this?
Huh?
What is this on the side?
Oh, it's like, I don't know.
Oh, that's like a tether. You can hold on to stuff.
Yeah, that's,
Yeah, mine doesn't have that.
Kakatapos ko lang mag-cut ng grass and yung asawa ko nag-ano. So, ito na yung nagawa niya. Wow, linis. So far, so good. Linis ang ginawa niya. Mas okay ito tignan kaysa sa dati. Dati napakagulo. Yan yung mga for the wild animals. Mga peanuts. So far, so good yung ginawa niya. Yan. Napakalinis. Lagyan niya na sa dito yung mga soda. Yan yung niya, ang linis ng Kasi ang gulo nito dati, dito nakalagay yung lawn mower. And ito, hindi niya pa nalinis. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya ito ilalagay. Yan. Yan yung mga sa anik-anik sa ibabaw. Mga sapatos, di ko alam. Tatapon siguro. Pero ang linis. So proud. So proud of you, my husband. So, tatapusin na namin to guys. And, hindi pa nga kami ng para sa lunch. Nakatulong ako, di ba? Tapos, ang dumi ko na. Gusto ko na maligo. Maligo muna ako. Bye, everyone.